Turn the light off. Shut your ass.
Shut your ass.
Nah, but I heard bad ass. Long bad ass. I'm going to buy. Hey, wait. Y'all want to pay me to go white?
Nigga with the light on.
Hey, we good.
Shut your ass.
Hey, we need to break open one of these beds.
Hey, you ready?
Run it back.
Oh, yeah.
Hang on. Hold up.
Hey, man, I'm going to get out.
Hold up. Wait, what are you doing?
No, he wants to do them that way, so I gave them to him so he
know
wants a
what you're trying
tiny
to do.
delay. He wants a little delay, so I spaced them for a delay for him.
Those are only 5?
Yeah. Yeah, they're 5, yeah. Two in the back, 2 in the front, and 1 in the middle.
The fuses are different ones.
Are they?
Yeah, they are. That's kind of why I was leaving them that way, but he wanted them spaced out, so I spaced them out for him.
Rotor.
It's true.
Come here. Take this guy.
Give me that. Give me your lighter.
Here, I've got one in my hand. Let's just take it down to the other end.
All right, count them up. Oh, count them up. There we go. All right, I'm good.
Let me know. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm up.
That hurt. Yeah.
You hold.
Yeah.
One.
Oh.
Fucking eye. Yeah, that was hitting me with